Nigeria leaders, like seriously, are you guys kidding me? My people, before I go leave una up to the video Mona watch, let me just quickly address this issue. So, our Nigeria leaders, senators, and others, so now get time to address issue like this. Oh my God. Lekki Tollgate massacre happen, una no address any issue. The one wey happen for Port Harcourt, Oyibo, una no address issue. The one wey happen for Edo State during the EndSARS protest, una no address any issue. All right, my people, before I will continue, good morning, my amazing people. Good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. I remain your favorite baby girl, Anointed Lady TV. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. If you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for coming back to check on your baby girl. And if you have been watching, you've not subscribed, please kindly hit that red button where they say subscribe and also put on the notification bell so you will be getting more updates from this channel. I love you all. So as I've earlier said, not be say I dey happy, say they kill people, Boko Haram kill people, but my own be say they not come out address issue to the extent they can't use Christians and Muslims till they make example. Like seriously, today confession don't start to. They confess. All right, my people. Make I leave una up to this video. Mo una watch. Bye bye.
I'm glad that everybody is ready to say the facts and nothing but the fact. If all these things had been on ground long before now, would have arrived to a particular point. When this thing came to be, we could not allow this thing to be speaking out, to be spoke out by the people of this Senate. Everybody will be hiding feelings, running away from blames. You don't want to say precisely what is on ground. I said it in this chamber, that the Boko Haram are all over. They are all over in this country. When they were fighting them in the northeast there, they ran down into the mainstream Nigeria as a whole. They were hiding. They move around with the people to tap information, trying to know how to go about. And it has got to this point now that we are suffering it. If we keep sentiment aside, we speak as a body, as a people of Nigeria, I am telling you, Boko Haram would have long been a way out of this country. Because at times, we normally speak, trying to do some sensitization by saying that we are Muslim, we are Christians.
Distinguished, please, I don't think there's any senator here who stood up to say he's Muslim, he's Christian, he's this sentiment. We are senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and we are trying to find a solution to a very serious and nagging problem. I think we have to be just okay.
Sir, as you earlier said, my trying to differentiate in that way, if you see me as I'm standing there this way, you won't know whether I'm a Muslim or not a Christian. So I speak the mind of what I think other people feel. I could say I'm a Muslim, I could say I'm a Christian. As long as I'm from the north, nobody can detect who I am unless I open my mouth to say, this is where I belong. So if I'm speaking this thing, I include myself, even the Christians. They are sell out too. Nobody is not blamed on this case. All of us, both the Christian and the Muslim, we are sell out. Where they get money, they give them money to pass information. They are the same people that go to buy food and give it to Boko Haram in the bush. This thing has been happening. Even some of my brothers have been seeing videos. Even the same thing with some of the houses. This is something that you said that we should speak the fact. It has been happening. They go around to give information to where they are not supposed to give information. We see it, we heard it, we complain, and nobody go to save the situation. Now that it has come, I could remember time without number. Many of our people have been slaughtered and buried, about 120, 130 in one grave. Not just because of anything, because of the Boko Haram that comes in to bring all this kind of problem in this country. We know the problem, but we are refusing to take it into consideration. But now it has come. If it means us taking it more harder than hard it was before, we should better do it right now. This is the right time. No going back. We'll take it, and most time we don't implement what we talk. Once we talk it and we finish, we get out of this place, we forget what we want to do. Nigerians are so common in doing these things. Instead of taking things into consideration, we don't take it. You will talk your mind, you will do this today, do this tomorrow. When tomorrow comes, it will no longer be hard. Time without number, that we have been saying this. Solutions to all these things, if you are on front as a war fighter, go with your plans, go with what you have in your mind to go and do. Don't stop exposing yourself outside. Don't let everybody know what you are having in mind to go and do outside. If the moment you start speaking that people have hurt you, they will start planning on taking another different step. If we are trying to do this thing, as we did this morning, we sat as a closed door meeting. Let's take our decision here. Meet the president, reveal this is what we discussed with my senators and all this, and this is what I want to do. How do you see it? No, sir, President will say, go ahead. Myself, President. If we don't do that, as we're talking here, people are hearing. Definitely, we have shown our concern that the situation in the country is beyond repairable. If we are doing this, after taking a decision, let it be a closed door meeting. As we are making this noise, people will see all we have talked. But sit down, articulate all what we want to do anywhere, then we'll face the reality and face the music squarely and the way it's supposed to be. Anytime we talk and we started to frame all our decisions, what we want to do in this country, people are sitting there watching us, they will take all what we have said and they will change the method. Try to adopt a different system, then we cannot be able to get them. Please, this is just my piece of advice. If need be, whatever we discuss as people in the closed door meeting, let us be kept there. I will continue with different things that we are going to discuss and face the reality hereafter.